Have you ever pictured your name gracing the cover of a novel? Maybe you have imagined the readers lost in the words you have created, flipping through pages late into the night. But let's be honest, the thought of writing a full-length novel can be overwhelming. Where do you start? How do you structure your ideas? And what happens after you have written those famous words? The end. Hi, I'm Andrea, the founder of Bibisco, the application downloaded by nearly 200,000 writers worldwide to help them craft their first novels, and the many that follow. Writing a novel is one of the most fulfilling adventures you can embark on, and I'm here to guide you every step on the way. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, from nurturing the first spark of inspiration to seeing your book in print. Let's get started. Every novel begins with a seed of an idea, an inspiration that grabs hold of your imagination. But where do these ideas come from? They can emerge from anywhere: a snippet of conversation, a vivid dream, or even a what-if question. To cultivate inspiration, start carrying a journal. Write down your observations, thoughts, and fragments of ideas as they come to you. Read widely, books, articles, even poetry, and immerse yourself in stories of all kinds. Inspiration often strikes from unexpected places. Once you've captured that initial spark, think about the genre that excites you most. Love mysteries? Dive into the whodunit world. Adore fantasy? Start building magic realm. Your passion for a genre will sustain you through the ups and downs of writing. Now that you have an idea to develop, research is your next best friend. Study the convention of your chosen genre. For example, mysteries often involve a detective unraveling clues, while romances hinge on emotional connection and satisfying endings. This knowledge will help you shape your story in ways that resonate with readers. Lastly, craft the premise of your story. Think of this as the elevator pitch for your novel. It should succinctly answer three questions. Who is your protagonist? What is their goal? What are the stakes? A powerful premise acts as the foundation for your story. For instance, a young wizard must defeat a dark lord to save his world, immediately set the stage for an epic tale. Planning your novel is like mapping out a long journey. Without a roadmap, you might find yourself lost along the way. A solid plan will guide you through the writing process and keep you focused. Start by outlining your story. There's no single right way to do this. It depends on your style. Some writers prefer detailed outlines with every chapter mapped out, while others lean towards a loose framework of key events. If you are a beginner, consider using classic story structures like the hero's journey or the three-act structure. These frameworks provide a reliable guide for pacing and plotting. Characters are the heart of your novel. Begin with your protagonist. Who are they? What motivates them? What are their strengths and flaws? Dive deep into their past, personality, and dreams to create a multi-dimensional characters. Don't forget antagonists and supporting cast. Every major character needs a purpose and a unique voice. And remember, characters should grow. A novel is a story of a change in the condition of things and the evolution of the characters during this process. Think about how your characters change and evolve throughout your story. With Bibisco, this process becomes not only easy, but also fun. Bibisco helps you truly get to know your characters by allowing you to interview them. That's right, Bibisco lets you explore your characters' thoughts, feelings, and backstories in a way that feels like a lively conversation. This feature ensures your characters are realistic, consistent, and compelling, all while making the process enjoyable. Your setting isn't just a backdrop, it's an integral part of your story. Whether it's a bustling metropolis, a quiet village, or a fantastic realm, the setting influences your characters and plot. Add sensory details like sights, smells, and sounds to make the environment feel alive to your readers. Lastly, consider your story's themes and symbols. Themes are the underlying messages or questions your novel explores, like love, identity, redemption. Symbols, on the other hand, give readers deeper layers to uncover. Thoughtfully woven themes and symbols make your novel more engaging and thought-provoking. It's time to bring your story to life. Writing the first draft can feel challenging, but breaking it into manageable pieces can make a big difference. Start by setting achievable goals, such as writing 500 words a day or a few thousand words each week. The key is consistency. Small, steady steps will keep you moving forward. Bibisco can help you stay on track and motivated by letting you set personalized writing goals and track your progress. This feature provides a clear view of what you have accomplished and helps you maintain a steady pace toward completing your draft. Writing is a marathon, not a sprint. Use techniques like free writing to get your ideas flowing or the Pomodoro technique to maintain focus. And when writer's block strikes, don't despair. Try changing your environment, revising your outline, or simply writing through the block. Sometimes persistence is all you need to reignite your creativity. Congratulations, you have completed your first draft, but the journey isn't over yet. Set your manuscript aside for a week or two. This break gives you a fresh eyes when you return to revise. During self-editing, focus on polishing your prose, ensuring consistency and addressing plot holes. Strengthen your characters, refine pacing, and make sure your dialogue feels authentic. Print your manuscript if possible. It's amazing what you'll catch on paper that you might miss on a screen. Once your manuscript is polished, consider seeking professional help. Editors bring expertise and objectivity to the table. From developmental editing to copy editing, they'll help your story shine. Don't overlook formatting, especially if you are self-publishing. A professionally formatted manuscript not only looks great but also meets industry standards. Publishing your novel is the final step in your journey. For traditional publishing, research agents who specialize in your genre and craft a compelling query letter. Be patient, success rarely comes overnight. If you choose self-publishing, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make the process easier. Invest in a professional cover design and market your book effectively. Social media, book reviews, and launch events can all help your novel reach the right audience. Writing a novel is a transformative journey. It challenges you, inspires you, and ultimately allows you to share your voice with the world. Whether you choose traditional publishing or self-publishing, remember, your story matters. Your story matters. Thank you for joining me today. Now it's your turn. Grab your notebook, fire up your computer, and start writing. Your story is waiting to be told. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos filled with writing tips and inspiration. And need help along the way? Check out Bibisco, a comprehensive tool for writers. From character development to outlining, it's designed to make your writing process smoother and more organized. Download Bibisco today and let's bring your story to life. Bye bye!